Good morning everyone, it's another day. I am wearing this mustard yellow dress that I wore at the beginning of the week for literally like 2 hours when we went out for a meal. That was it. Basically it covers my arms and my shoulders, so that is why I am putting it on again today, because I'm not sunburnt, but I've been in the sun all week and I just need a day covered up. But my dress is already sticking to my body and I'm hot and I haven't even left the caravan yet. We're lucky with the weather, honestly. So grateful. Anyway, another day. Right, we're going out again. I think we've only had one day that we haven't even left the site. Only one day. And that was the day that I didn't vlog and only showed my red dress. I've actually been editing that vlog, which is like a 2-day outing vlog. So I've edited and put that together, so I'm going to try and upload that either this evening or maybe some point tomorrow, because I don't think we've got plans tomorrow. So if I've got the time, I will upload it. But anyway, yeah, I've got to put some lipstick on. Oh, got my bag again. I've literally been using this bag all week. There's no point me bringing my other bags with me, honestly. It's my go-to at the minute. I fit a lot in there. But I think I mentioned that in my last vlog. I've shoved my hair up, quick and easy. It's too warm to have it down. I just get too hot and sweaty. But yeah, when we went shopping yesterday, I picked up another moisturiser because I was stupid and did not bring it with me. I thought I packed it, but I reckon it's on my side. If I go to my room when I go home and it's like sat there on my side, just like, but it's fine. I love this moisturiser. I've used it for years and years and years, and my face is like really dried out from wearing obviously a little bit of makeup, but also being in the sea and like being in the sun. My face is so dry, so I had to really smother so much moisturiser over my face last night and this morning, and yeah, I think my skin's looking a little bit better today. But I also, which I've never used before, I've picked up one of these little booster serums in the same brand as the moisturiser, Simple, and I put that on and my skin feels so nice. So hopefully in the next couple of days I might see the difference. But yeah, because I've been in the sun all week and we've had quite warm temperatures, I thought this would really help. So I'll protect my skin and give me some moisturiser, some like light, some glow or something, I don't know. Anyway, I'm ready to go. I'm on a train heading to St. Ives. Good morning. Are they gonna stop? I've got my coffee. Time to wake up. Another day. Another beach day. Whoop, whoop, whoop. But this time I've put on my swimming costume. I've got my little skirt on. And then I've got my towel and a little top just to put on if I need to cover up a bit. But yeah. My brother's gone to the water. I've already been in there. I'm going back down there later. I'm just sat here drying off. And it's actually really nice. It's not actually that hot. It's just perfect. But yeah, it's so nice just to sit here and chill. And then I'll go back out in the water in a bit. That was cold. Yes, well done, Dad. Oh. We are home, well, back at the caravan. We've had such a lovely day. I am so tired. I think this week has just hit me, and it's Friday today, and we've got the whole weekend before we head back home on Monday. I feel so tired. But yeah, it's been a lovely day. I'm gonna go and have a shower, put my pajamas on and chill out, watch TV and just have a nice chilled cozy evening and an early night to get plenty of sleep. We're going back to another beach tomorrow, but just full of beaches, literally full of beaches. But we've all had an amazing week. We just got this weekend to go, and then back home, back to life and reality and all. Let's not think about it yet. I will see you all tomorrow if there is anything worth vlogging.